Hello, my dear friends. Miracle is possible in my subject, and people keep doing many miracles in the basis of this subject, which is called quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is important. At the same time, detection of that trouble is important. At the same time, you need to know point where we have to work. This is not, first of all, a substitute of medical science or treatment. Healing supports medical treatment and medical process. But healing has its own way to do its job. Day in and day out, the way I am observing the miracles, I strongly believe that only science is not enough. That's the reason why I am here today. Definitely some divine blessings or spiritual practices, these are also equally required. But the combination of spiritual process and science, I must say, that is a source of miracles in different sectors. Basically, I work in the health sector, wellness field. Main matter is that science says consciousness and unconsciousness. But in spiritual field, it says subconscious or superconscious. Both of these states of mind or brain, it gives you some power, which is completely divine power, to understand the depth of the trouble or problem. That is the way primarily it is helping us for troubleshooting. Later on, we try to go to the depth of that problem, and we keep searching the options to go for the healing process or the process of alleviation. From my point of view, I believe that sound and light frequency, these are the most important media to heal any kind of trouble or problem in this universe. But if I do the entanglement, I can't work for myself. Maybe it is a big irony, but it is true. Because I am the person who is going to entangle two different things. One side positron, another side electron. One side Mr. X and another side his photo or DNA. So we can connect and we can get an idea about the status. I keep watching magicians and I love to watch magic, but hardly I have seen any magician to alleviate any seriously ill person in fraction of seconds. But it happens when it comes to Indian spiritual world. Many saints, they always proved the miracle of Indian occult science or occultism. It is a process. This is a process where you have to work very hard. But in our profession, we do this process with the support of a device called dowsing device. When a dowsing device is giving you an idea about water, mineral, any other terrestrial things, it calls it only dowsing. But when it talks about each and every part of our life, we call it as Astro Dowsing. Astro Dowsing is very much inclined to the process of ancient India. It was the first miracle in front of me when I watched the theory and thesis of Sir Thomas Young, the way he proved that if you watch one particular flow of electron, it behaves like particle, and if you don't watch it, it behaves like wave. It was the first thing which is a very big miracle for me. And then I came to know about the quantum entanglement, which was another miracle. And that entanglement power, the speed of entanglement is many times faster than light. And I never thought that day will come when scientists will prove that it is possible. We can go to the more depth of it. According to Dalton, atom was the smallest particle. Then it came that electron, proton, neutron, the smallest particle. And slowly it went to the subatomic particle. The ultimate part of that subatomic particle is a string. And this string theory came this way. And it is very exciting for me because I believe that string creates vibration, and string theory says that vibration through string is the reason of creating different substance of the world. I never thought that in my lifetime I will see a day where quantum entanglement is getting recognition through Nobel Prize. Aspect, Gillinger, Closure, they got Nobel Prize, and they followed the roadmap of John Stuart Mill and proved that Niels Bohr was correct. But the matter is not end here. String theory is yet to be proved by the rest of the world because practically we failed to show and prove the relevance of it. But the entire process which I am doing today, it is based on definitely through string. We are creating different kind of sounds, different kind of frequencies, thousands of frequencies we are creating in our laboratory, in our workshop, and that keeps on giving us many miracle results in various complicated cases. We use different kind of light energies and sound energies, and we are trying to work on DNA. Many challenges are there in our way. We need a good place to keep DNA properly, because to keep a DNA it needs minus 20 degrees centigrade to minus 80 degrees centigrade temperature, and it needs a space at least 2 by 2 square feet area, but space constraints are there. So lot of challenges are there. For the detection method in Astro Dowsing system, in various times we work on map dowsing, considered as the toughest dowsing method, which I kept doing for many years, and it also keeps on giving us many wonderful and exciting results as well. And my simple submission is, I know today, tomorrow or day after, string theory will be proved by any great or eminent scientist, and world will recognize this miracle again. So the basic secret of quantum physics will come out in public, and I'm happy to say that the theory of relativity and the quantum physics, they are combined together and they are sitting in the same place because of the relevance of string theory. So I don't have any doubt that today, tomorrow or day after it will happen, and that time it will be easier for my friends, for my well-wishers, for the supporters of this subject to understand and to clarify many people about the efficacy of this subject. I keep trying to say the same thing many times to the people, those who are willing to get benefit of this subject. So I tried my best to simplify for the mankind in a simplest form. If you understand, my effort will be successful. Thank you so much.